not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio. If you haven't done it before and you want to run long short, please try it with a paper account first. Don't get your sizing mistakes wrong. Actually, I want to spend 1 second on that. Let's say that you have, let's just make up a position. I'm not trying to big time anybody or whatever, but let's just use a number that everyone can understand. Let's say you have $1 million worth of Japanese equity exposure, and it's up 2% on the day. What is it? If something's up 2% on $1 million, how much money do you make? $20,000.
$20,000.
Right. So we have clients that have a $100 million position in Japan. But let's say you got $1 million position equals plus 2% on the day equals $20,000. Okay. You make $20,000 yesterday in Japan. Okay. Sell 50 basis points. How much of $1 million are you selling if you sell 50 basis points? Quick one. 5,000. So minus 5K. So now your position in the aggregate, 1 million. So we have a 1,015,000 is basically what I just gave you the answer. Okay? That's it. That's the move. That's why people that run more money deal in basis points of hard-earned capital, because it's a lot of capital, right? I think you'd be pretty happy if you made 20. For those of you that did, well done, right? We have a billionaire in Europe who's got a much bigger position in Japan than $1 million. Okay? So again, when you're doing it at the highest, I'm not going to coach you down. I'm going to coach at the high level and explain the components, okay? Executing incrementally and having rules is critical to what you do, okay? Critical. Go on Hedgeye EDU. There's plenty of time for you to educate yourself. I think if you're okay with doing a master class in cooking, this is worth your time, okay? It's going to reduce your time whining and complaining because you get sizing and timing wrong, which are critical things, obviously, in the process. So I just wanted to say that. By the way, if you run $100,000, if you had a $100,000 position, look, you made $2,000, okay? You sell 50 basis points, you book 500. There, it's in your pocket. Go play some golf. Tip the caddies. Not bad. Buy some of that wine I was recommending last night.
Or tip the caddies.
You were a caddy.
10 years.
He's your multitasker, man. Picking up roadkill, caddying. I like it. Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.